Well, getting ready to find out if I can get these off the door or not. I've oiled the heck out of them on the back side. From what I've seen and I can feel, these top two on the inside of the door are in an enclosed little box. Now, these two and these two are in the open. So, I am going to see if I can impact any of them out. And if I can't, that will leave it to where it'll round it all out. And I should be able to get the drill bits in there okay to drill the holes through it. So, let's see what it does. Nope. There it is. Not gonna come out, but they're rounded, so now I get to start the long, gentle process of drilling it out with the small one, and then I will spray WD-40 up in there and let it soak overnight and see what I can get done with it after that. So, good luck. Wish me luck. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so we got the initial hole drilled. Messy, you can see through a couple of them there. Now I'll do the other hinge, and then I will start going in with the bigger drill bit and soak them down again, and probably leave them for a couple of hours or overnight and see what it does. Boy, here we go. Whee! Okay, so went in, drilled them with the bigger one, and look at that, let it set for about an hour, and so far they're easing out. It can be done. It just takes a lot of patience and time. Later. And voila. Hell of a way to do it. Be very, very careful. I set my drill bit for the initial hole all the way to the bottom because it's just a little bit longer than what the drill bit was in the chuck. So that told me about where I was at. Then I used that bigger drill bit, went through and opened it up a little bit more. That way I could get that easy out in there, you know, about full length of that bolt, because I did not want to break that easy out off, because that would be a nightmare. So make sure and drill all the way through and use a big enough easy out that it pert near goes all the way, except for just a little tad bit at the end. That way you get a good bite on the whole easy out and not just on the tip. But there they are. I'm going to rebuild these hinges and I'll let you know how it turns out. Have fun, be safe, later days.